Call yourself American. Make some nice to represent the Caribbean. Big up St. Lucia, big up St. Vincent, big up Trinidad, big up Tobago, big up everyone. But don't forget to big up all proud Jamaican. We in the party now. So yes, drummer. Hey, watch out. So, well, now the cops start attacking. New York City, I beg you, please don't judge me. Take it from Tarrus Riley. If your papers not straight, get them straight very quickly. Then I'll jump and try send home everybody. You know it. You can't even trust me. Mr. Wally Parade Green and Gold, hush. So we don't want our roots people. So let me test you. So we say, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor King Selassie. Rastafari. We grouping. Watch it. Them say my heart in. Me not trust man. Me not take out a check from no one. Not far from the limit. But alright, and you little money them man. Funny, smile at them skies. All of the people that love the roots and culture put a label like this. Oh, the practice majesty won't be damage me. Yes, and you think cause someone I want them in my yard, I want them in my place for time. Oh, my time. Well, I know, smile in your face. Oh, my word. Thank you. If you love the vibe, say go on, sing it, sing it. If you love the vibe, say go on, sing it, sing it. No, what I love you. We in America, so if you want to say it's tush, say go ahead, sing it, sing it. Oh, hey, when I'm fine. Oh, see. People in the park, we're grooving, so everybody move and start grooving. Sure. Hey, but I know with all that I put you through, well, I've got to give you, although you never cheated, no, you never really woman, me love how you keep it true, that's right, me love how you hold it, that's the way you from the rest, tablets, oh yeah, and you, hey, what's mine is yours, oh baby, yeah, and with you, I want to live, Mitchell Motasha, and what you put together, let no one break us under, when I'm Fraser. New York City, make some nice with the living legend, Mr. Dean Fraser. Come here, look at that, hold on. New York City, we're not going to wait until we're gone to give respect to. Once again, make some nice with Dean Fraser. No, hold on, I'm in a rush. Mr. Tarrus Riley and the Black Style Band, we represent good, authentic Jamaica music. With a dancehall, reggae, or rocksteady. If you know your heart clean, sir. Well, the next one of them Superman. I don't want to rush it. Just listen to me. I'm a Superman, thanks to Lois Lane. Kissed away my problems when I went insane. Took me from the depths when I lost my name. I know, yeah, she gave me something I could live for. Now everyone is asking what's the change. They don't recognize I've got so much to say. And I would never thought someone love someone so much they give up on everything. I know I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. Oh, I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. Alright, well, I will be there when you need someone to run with. And I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm the lover till the skies turn gray, girl. Oh, you're beautiful, baby. Alright then, mommy, you're beautiful. Oh, yes, you're beautiful. Oh, yes, you're beautiful, baby. The vibes are beautiful, I know. Tell the truth, how the song? It's a love of my song. Say, go on, sing it, sing it. And you can't twang it, say, go ahead, sing it, sing it. Hush. I don't want to rush because I don't want you to know, so we are real artists. Listen lyrics. I feel butterflies when I'm in your hands. You can turn the pavement into white sand, and you can make a moment a memory in a glance. And I can't believe anyone else. Now everybody's talking, you're always shining. You never stop listening, baby. And I never find someone, love someone so much that give up on everything. I know I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. Oh, I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. Listen, Queens, I will be there when you need someone to run with. And I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm your lover till the sky is turn gray, babe. Oh, you're beautiful, baby. One more time. You know you're beautiful. Oh, yes, you're beautiful. I know you're beautiful, baby. Oh, yes, you're beautiful. I know you're beautiful. Mr. Fraser, play something beautiful in the sonnet. Make some noise for Dean Fraser. Me not hear it, you know. No, listen. Imagine the show them grooving. I could come and jump up and I scream and I make me nice. If you know the vibe, say, go on, sing it, sing it. One more time. So I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. Thank you very much, Queens. If you feel alright, say, bro. I'm gonna start the party right now. Listen. Bless up the place. Who job bless? You can't say it like you're a coward. Who job bless? We can't ask for workers of iniquity. Oh, Rastafari. Clean out the people, put your banana. Come on. Who job bless? I can't hear you. Who job bless? We can't ask for workers of iniquity. Oh, Rastafari. Once again, if your eye clean, put your banana. Chop. When I believe by the time, first from vampire shade. keep on by your right hand. I keep my Rastafari walk with it. Talk to me. So let the dancing and them heart. They come and journey back close to me. Watching the sheep right now. When they be ashamed to me. Like a rabbit, like a baby. And my head is for what she say. Look at me. Guide me. And I'm a whenever leave by each other. And cry. When keep up by your right hand. I keep far from city. How you feel? No man, you're tired. How you feel? Listen, you have some people can't walk at daytime, you know. They're afraid of the sun. If you know you're not afraid of the sun, now the father say, rrrr. Now you see this part of the show? I don't want nobody to sit down in a chair. Because we're going to pay respect to the reggae music legends. We recently lose one of our brother, PARTY.DANCE, Paul. Make some noise for Mr. Paul. Come on, everybody get up on the seat. Mr. Fraser, sing some tune for them. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Give up all the people. Listen. Sure. Cause I'm much more Casanova. Cause me and Romeo have never been friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I'll take it to you time and time again. Oh, Casanova, ow, 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 ow. Casanova, you can't let it get away. Ow, ow, Casanova, baby, baby, I'm standing. Ow, ow, Casanova. No, Mr. Fraser, groove in. We need another Frankie part in that place. Drop it. Ooh, yeah. Everybody groove.